We finally did it! 100,000 subscribers and counting on this channel. Thanks to you all. When we started this channel 3-4 years ago, the idea was to give a really honest, deep, in-depth tutorials about film scoring and how it all works and how it's all been cooked together into like the final result, and to bring it to you free. Now, for people that haven't seen this channel yet, or for people that haven't seen certain episodes yet, please subscribe and dive into all the interesting videos that we have. And there's so much more to come in coming weeks, months and years. We're not going to stop this thing anytime soon. So to celebrate this Thursday, 11 a.m., I'm going to hold an Ask Me Anything live event on YouTube, and I would really invite you to go there and ask me all kinds of questions. I will be there to answer them all. I really want to thank you all, because it's the audience that made this channel possible in the first place. Yes, I'll make the video, I upload the videos, but you guys actually make this possible to continue this work and to make it a really great environment for young composers to find information from me, but also information from one another, because there's so many interesting discussions among people that watch this channel. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I'll take a deep bow for all of you, and I hope to see you Thursday, 11 a.m. Ask Me Anything live on YouTube.